In this video, I'm going to show you how to block a number on Android. Now, open your phone lock and then choose the number that you want to block. Now, I will choose the third one. Click More option on the bottom right corner. Then click Block Contact. Now, as you can see, the phone number is blocked. Now, if you are using Truecaller, you can open Truecaller app. Then choose the number that you want to block. And then those three icons on the top, you can see call, message and block. Just click on block. Then click block. Then the number will be blocked. Guys, that's how to block any number on Android. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.